Hey everyone, it's G here in California. Welcome, Gay on here. So today I'll be making cauliflower Mexican rice. So instead of using rice, I'm using cauliflower, which is definitely, as you guys know, that's definitely more healthier than rice. So that's my recipe today. I'm excited to share this with you guys. This is a diabetes friendly meal, and hope you guys like it, and I'll see you soon as I'll be making some cauliflower Mexican rice. So today I'm making cauliflower rice. So there's a cauliflower that's already cut up. If you have a food processor, go ahead. You can go ahead and pulse it. So I have cauliflower there. I have extra virgin olive oil. So that's heating up right now on the stove. I got the oil is heating up. So first thing I'll do, I have onions here. Green and white onions, jalapeno peppers, zucchini chopped up, and garlic. So first thing we'll do is we'll heat up the oil, add the onions. I'm going to saute the onions, the jalapeno peppers, and the garlic first, and then we'll throw in the zucchini, and the last thing we'll put in to top this off is the okay guys, so the onions are sauteing. Make sure that we're going to make the onions caramelize. And then just so you know, for the cauliflower, you can go ahead and add some seasonings. Like I put black pepper, some oregano, thyme, cumin, ginger, and just garlic powder, and just kind of add some seasoning to your cauliflower. So I did that. So now next step is what we're gonna add. These are jalapeno peppers. This is why I didn't put. There's gonna be a lot of jalapeno peppers. This is gonna be a hot rice because I have a lot of jalapeno peppers here. It's gonna be very hot. Anyways, so we're gonna do the jalapeno peppers now. Add them into the pan here. So I'm gonna caramelize this. We got the jalapeno peppers and the onions. I'm gonna add the garlic. Throw the garlic in there. Sorry, my finger. Mix this all up with the garlic. Mix it up. Caramelize this, and then so the peppers are in their mix now. The jalapeno peppers. And I'm gonna add the zucchini. So I cut up some zucchini. You can add whatever veggies you want to your, your cauliflower rice here, but I'm gonna add the zucchini. And the last thing we'll do here, we just have to add the cauliflower and saute it all together, and that's it. And you can add cilantro. Unfortunately, I forgot to get cilantro, but the recipe calls for cilantro. You can add some cilantro at the end of this. Anyways, the ingredients and instructions on how to make the cauliflower will be in the description of this video, so you can go there and check and do it. When you get the ingredients and instructions, very simple. You're just sauteing whatever you want in here. The recipe said you can do bell peppers, tomatoes, whatever you want. It's up to you, but this is all I'm sauteing. I'm adding to the cauliflower. That's it. So be back in a sec, and I'm gonna be. Okay guys, so the zucchini, everything is caramelizing very well here together. So now add your cauliflower. I'm going to add the cauliflower to this. I think I might have made too much cauliflower actually. Anyways, so I'm going to add the cauliflower. Integrate it all here with the onions and the zucchini. So you just fold it in. And just leave it here. Let it mix everything together. Leave it here so that the cauliflower integrates with the onions and zucchini. So it's going to be a big dish of cauliflower here. Okay. Okay, so just spreading everything here in this pot here in the frying pan. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this here and let it just saute and cook about 10 minutes. And then it should be done. It's very quick, easy dinner here because again we're using cauliflower instead of rice. Anyway, so I'm gonna let this cook for about 7 minutes. Come back, turn it around, mix it all again, and cook. Hey, so anyway, so hi everyone. So we're back to the end here. So the cauliflower has been stir fried with the onions and the zucchini, the jalapeno peppers, and according to the instructions, you should stir fry it with your onions, etc. Whatever side you add to whatever you added to your cauliflower, whether it's bell peppers and tomatoes, whatever you add to it. It says to stir fry it with the cauliflower for 3 to 4 minutes. So it's been definitely about 5 minutes, it's actually 7 minutes now. So this is ready, guys. It's soft. The cauliflower is soft. Everything has been integrated. It's done. So I can turn the stove off now. Only thing you can add to this is cilantro, which I don't have any cilantro. I forgot to get that, but you can add cilantro to this and whatever your favorite topping is, and it's done. You serve it. Enjoy. If you guys try it, let me know what your thoughts were. Let me know what other, if you do make cauliflower rice, let me know other tips. Maybe you can share other ways that you've made it with other ingredients that you've used. Certainly share it and let me know what your thoughts were, what your feedback is in regards to this recipe here for a quick cauliflower rice recipe, stir fry cauliflower with your favorite veggies, etc. And let me know how it turned out. That'll be awesome. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next